Welcome to this new video. This video is regarding Coalesce. It is a DAX function in Power BI. It is one of the important functions that certain situations we can use. What it does that is it evaluates certain expression and it takes the first expression that is having a value and it will return that. So for example, if we go to the details, we can see it returns the first expression that does not evaluate to blank. So it will check whether it is blank. If it is blank, it will take the next expression. So if all the expressions evaluate to blank, a blank is returned. So if suppose in this example we are having 4 columns are there. If you are selecting all these 4 columns, if all the 4 columns are having null values, definitely it will return null. Otherwise, wherever it finds a value first, that will be taken. So if it is here, if 1000 is here, it won't take the 1000 here because the first expression what it took is 500, so it will take the 500 on. So here we can see Coalesce blank then date. So it won't take the blank since it is blank, but it will take it won't take the date. The same here, the first expression it will take, and then the second expression, of course, it is 0. So now we have an example here. It is with regarding to the running registration. So some people have registered only for 5-kilometer run, some people have registered for 10 kilometers, some have for 21, and some have for 42K, that is marathon. So all the t-shirt value is 500. So we need to calculate the total amount that has to be paid by each and every person. So you can't go around and work with each and every column here. So we can simplify it with Coalesce function. So you can write this first name Adam, whether he need inside the Coalesce, whether 5K is blank. So it will check the 5K that is blank. So it will move to the 10K column, and that is 500. So it will take it as 500 and it will add 500 plus this shirt and it will give 1000. The same here for Austin, it will check each and every row. Finally, it will reach 100 and find out 1000, and then it will add 1500. So this example we can use for Coalesce. So we will try to do this. So initially we are having the column here 5K, 10K, 21, 42, and the shirt price. Now we need to get the value properly here in one column. So how much the person should, instead of these 4 columns, we can create a single column and we can paste it here. So we will go to the data view. Here we can create a new column. We can name the column name as run equals to Coalesce, and then we can give all these 4 columns 5K, then comma 10K, comma 21K, comma 42K. So here what we need to understand is, if you are giving it as, it is like first come first serve. So first, if you are giving 10K, then it will first evaluate this 10K. So suppose we are having here also 100, the value 100, and if you are giving here 10K first, so it will definitely take 500 only. So according to the way we are putting each and every column name here, the values or the expression will be taken accordingly. So here we are going to get the result. So we got the exact result here. Whichever came first, we got it exactly. Now we can get the total. So instead of creating this column itself, you can create this in a variable and you can get the total. So if you are doing little bit higher DAX version, then you can do it here itself. So we can edit this itself and you can enter this and you can create it as total equals, and this one you can create it as bar, and then you will return, and the value will be run plus shirt. So that will be the total. So we got an error. Run is a table name and cannot be used to define a variable. So we can give an underscore here. So we give the underscore, and now we got the total here 1700, 1200, everything with respect to the registration along with the t-shirt. We are getting the total, so we can select the total here. So everything is fine. This is one way, or other way you can use the Coalesce function and you can create a column here. Then you can add these 2 columns and create the total. Now this is an easy way. Easy way means, okay, you just need to create just 1 column here. So that is why we used a variable and we have returned it and created a total column. So hope this will be helpful to you in the problem statements which you are facing. Have a nice day. Thank you.